Hello, my name is Tilly, and what we're going to be making today is a helicopter. And these things are what we need to make it. So 3 of these popsicle sticks, 2 the same colours and 1 a different colour. A yellow and a black piece of paper.
Card.
These, if you want decorations, you can use any colour. Like me, I've done Christmas colours, because you can make your own Christmas helicopter if you want to. You need scissors and tape. You need 1 blue pipe cleaner, 2 pieces of white paper. It doesn't have to be blank, it can have words on one side. You can put that.
But blank on one side. You need blank one side, don't you?
Yeah, blank one side. And one any box. And you can just get any old box. You can ask your parents if you can use an old box that they're about to throw in the bin, and they might say yes or no. Otherwise there might be something else in there, so they can take everything out and then hand it to you. Start with this box. Get your scissors and you need to cut like a square or a rectangle. Now you might need an adult to help you.
Yeah, so down from the edge.
To there.
Not all the way to the bottom, and then across.
Yeah, to there. So this is how much I've done so far.
Show the camera. Turn around so if you can see it. Yeah, that's it. So that's how we've cut it so far.
Yeah, and
Now we'll do the rest now.
Yeah. So this is what it will look like when you're done. Now you get 1 piece of paper and you just put the word side. You can use any paper, not with words on both sides, only one side or just blank. Now you put the side with words for me on that side, and then just fold it over there, under, like that, and then that, and that, like a present. You need to get your tape, and then, or you can use glue as well, and just tape it there. This is what I've got right now, and I've cut these 2 edges off, and then I'm gonna put these 2 here, and then cut that bit off so I can stick the tail inside there. Now get your tail and just stick in there. Get a bit of tape and then just put it onto there, and then turn that upside down and just push up there. So you've got the tail, a bit of sticky there. So, and then you get a bit of sticky there onto there. So you've got your tail.
You might want to put a bit more under here, just so that it doesn't fall off.
Okay. Now you might need a bit of adult's help. Okay. Now that's making your tail.
Very good.
And you put it onto here, and then you cut off the extra edges. Like there. Now see this bit here? You need to get your other piece.
Well, that's the bottom. Do you need it? Yeah, you should, huh?
Big, huge rectangle.
Watch your fingers.
Sorry.
Watch your thumb.
Then you've got this big rectangle. You can put it on the bottom, like that. And you need 5 pieces. 1, 2, 3. There. When you're finished, it'll look a bit like this. I am going to make it like a windscreen cut a windscreen out of this yellow paper, and the doors is going to be the black card. That might be there, that's alright. Now make your tape double-sided. Fold one time, fold another time, fold one more time. Put it there. If you've got double-sided tape already at home, it's alright, you don't need to make it. Because you can buy double-sided tape. You don't need to buy it now, you can just use normal tape as well. And also you could also draw a line so 2 people could fit. So it's like that. This is what it looks like.
Cool.
So now we have to make our doors. Or maybe you could fold the paper in half, the card in half, and then draw, making the doors.
Somebody's sneezing out there. Watch your fingers.
Yep, and remember, scissors are very sharp.
You remember too.
Fold these parts here, because you can cut 2. It's there. Making 2 doors for each side. When you've cut out your 6 doors, it'll look a bit like this. Make sure there's 6. Otherwise, there has to be 3 doors at each side. Get the tape. Or double-sided tape then. If you've got tape, make double-sided tape. If you've got double-sided tape, just get a tiny bit and then put it behind each and every door. This is one finished side of the doors, and this is the other. Now go up to the blades, things that go like that on a helicopter. Now this is how you make them stick together. Put them in an X like that. So and then you get a bit of tape, not double-sided. And then you stick it like that. So it's like that. And you might need a bit more on the other side. We put it on top of here. Then we get some tape. Again, not double-sided. And then might need a bit longer tape, but that's alright. Or longer. You can also use little bits. I'm using big bits and little bits. This. Now, last thing to do, decorations. You can also take a bit of blue stuff off the pipe cleaner. And this is the decorations. You can put one of these, thread it through here, and then...
Here.
So it's like that. Now get one of these and thread it through. Make sure you use different colours every time. Like there.
Cool.
This is the last one. put it on here. There. And you can also do this. And be careful, this might be a bit fragile. These bits might fall out. That is a finished helicopter. And if you want to do wings, this is how you do it. You get one pipe cleaner, then you make sure it's straight. You put it inside the sticky tape you used before for the bladers. And then it's like that. You bend it at one end. Just bend it like that, so it's like that. And do it on both sides. Another finished wing. If you want, you can add a bit more sticky tape to there. So there you go, that's a finished helicopter. If you wanted to add wings.
Cool. Let's go for a fly.
Preparing for takeoff in 3, 2, 1.